Good afternoon. This is Bill Biederman with the commodity comments from the Allendale trading desk. It is Thursday the 22nd. The dollar today up 40 at 81.67. That's 70 higher for the week. Greece, news out of there is that their debt is much worse than what they earlier thought, and topping that off is Ireland's debt is worse than Greece's. So putting pressure on the Forex euro market and putting support into the dollar. The dollar right now has support at 81.20 and resistance at 82.60. The crude oil market started out down sharply on that news with a strong dollar. We were down 200 at one point, but currently we're trading 10 higher at 83.78. That's 60 lower for the week, but still a big rebound. 81.40 becoming big support on this market, while 87.26 is the resistance in last week's highs. In the corn market, we closed at 362 3/4. That was up 3.5 cents today. We're only down a penny and a quarter now for the week. We started out the week much lower, down at the 348 level, but the market has been moving higher on rumors of China buying and strong chart support. Exports today came out very bullish at 1.48 million metric tons. That was 47% higher than last week. South Korea bought 494, Japan bought 337, and today Egypt bought 120,000 tons. If the market can get over the 366 resistance, this trend will be fully strong and fully up. Support in this market remains down at today's low, this week's low, 348. Soybeans are at 10.04 That's up 9 cents, 19 cents higher for the week. Strong rumors all week long about China buying old crop beans and bean oil. Were supported with more news coming out of the crush industry, with a crush report that I had a 156 million bushel March crush. That was up 11% for the year, and USDA is showing up 4% for the year, so crush continues to run higher than expectations. Exports, though, did come in pretty disappointing, only 369,000 tons, so all these rumors of China buying just don't seem to be panning out, at least not for old crop. China did buy 128,000 tons of old crop on this report showing last week's purchases, but this week they canceled 164,000 of old crop and moved that out to new. Now, they have been buying new crop almost every day, but did not buy today. Charts do look bullish. The objective on these charts is right in the area where we're at, 1040, but you can project numbers as high as $10.50 on the chart. As long as $9.78 holds, there will be buyers in the market. In the wheat market, we closed at 498.5, up 11.25 cents. That's up 8 cents now for the week. Pretty huge turnaround in the wheat market. Charts are driving the market higher despite news earlier this week that really pushed futures down, when news that Iran was going to export 2 million tons and Russia was going to be a more aggressive exporter. And that sure does show up, because the competition for world business is big, and our exports were a very disappointing 465,000 tons. About the only wheat we seem to be moving out of the United States is through donation and GSM business. Support in the wheat market is at $4.80. Resistance is at $5.22. In the cattle market, we closed at 95.70. That was up 25. We're $1.10 higher for the week now. Cash is still very strong. We looks like traded at 160 to 160.5 hot weights. $97 we're expecting in the live market. Good economic numbers this week and good earnings from corporations provided support all week, and we have cattle on feed report tomorrow, so tune in tomorrow afternoon and Rich will give you an update on that. In the hogs, we closed very strong again. Cutout was up 137 this morning when we walked in, and that's 15 days straight of a higher cutout. This provided very good support. Charts do look bullish, and we're very, very close to the 87.50 that Rich has been talking about for a few weeks. If you haven't heard about those objectives, then you aren't listening to our Monday morning research meeting. You can get that absolutely free when you're subscribed to us, and right now new subscribers have a special of only $250 for a whole 13 months. And in addition to that, you get a free access to our weekly in-house research meeting, as well as a daily email with all of our recommendations. Just give us a call at 800-262-7538 to sign up for that, or go on our website, allendale-inc.com.